Hi guys, welcome to Curious Cutie Videos. Hi guys, and today I'm gonna do make your own bouncy balls. And this is the back, and this is the front, and this is how it's gonna look. Like, just like this, or actually like this. Now we're gonna open it. So it comes with this thingy, I don't know how to call it, and of course the instructions, but then not with words but with pictures. It are just 4 simply steps. And of course 3 little bags of sand. It's a sort of colored sand, and then you need to put it in here and then in a glass of water, and then you're done. So I'm gonna do this together with my mom, and these are the instructions. Step 1, open this. Step 2, do some powder in it. Step 3, 5 to 10 minutes in water. And step 4, remove it. Mom, say hi.
Hi! I will start cutting this one. Yes, we can start. First you have to lock this one.
It's a bit difficult to lock it.
Then I'll just hold it
I
like
think
this.
it's a bit broken or something.
Should I do it for you?
Oh!
You want to combine it with another color? It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Move here.
Green.
Use it green
And some pink. And then
Do you want me to add again another color?
blue?
Blue. I also like this color. Dun, da, da, da. I'm excited.
Now?
Oh.
It's a bit difficult. Can you help me now?
Okay. Hold on.
Is it
I think I really have to dip my own finger because it's so difficult to lock this one. It will take about 5 to 10 minutes for this one to become a bouncy ball. So we just have to wait.
And we are gonna test it if it's really a bouncy ball. So now we're done, and we are gonna remove it. We are gonna look if it's already. Let's open it carefully. Super carefully. Can I open it?
Yes. Beautiful. Wow.
Wow! It's a bit slimy. I am not so sure if it's ready. Do you think so, Mom?
Well, I think so. I hope that it's
Yeah,
good.
me too.
I'm gonna open it.
Ooh, that one is pretty.
Whoop, 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 whoop. It's good. Wow. So this is how it looks like. It's a bit sticky
And slimy.
and slimy.
So the last one is ready, or I think so. It's ready. So we're gonna.
Are you ready? Oops, oops, oops. Ta-da!
Oh, that's a beautiful one.
It's slimy,
Yeah, but it's
but
cool
it's
and
cool.
beautiful.
So we will show you what we've made. So from one package of these bouncy balls, you can make about 4 bouncy balls.
Yeah, and it's super fun to do, but sometimes it's sticky.
It's really sticky, so
Yeah.
I think you have to dry them up because it will stick to each other. As you can see, if I do this, it sticks towards each other. So it's better to
Yeah.
put it somewhere and dry it up, and when it's dry, then you can play it. And now we can test it if it's really bouncy.
Yeah, but it's not handy to dry it with this, because this is then sticking to the bouncy ball, because then it's still sticky. So don't wipe it with a
Tissue paper.
tissue paper.
Now let's test if it's really bouncy.
Oh, it is!
It is bouncy. Second one.
Bouncy
It's
too?
bouncing. Ooh, 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 ooh. It's also bouncy.
Bouncy too. Whoa! It rolled away. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and please give a thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time. Bye. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Thank you for watching.